In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on Discord's mobile app. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you want to go ahead and add friends on your Discord account on your mobile, what you can do is first of all head over to your Discord. Once you've opened up Discord, you'll be on this page here, and then as you can see on the bottom bar there is a little avatar with their arm up. If you click on that, that will send you over to the Friends tab. So what you can do here is click on the plus sign in the top right hand corner. Once you click on the plus sign here, as you can see, add your friend on Discord. So what you will need to do is enter in the username. So for this, I will add my second account. So it is Ryan2MT2. And make sure you put in the capitals and stuff like that. So the most important thing now is to put in the tag. So for example, it will be hash. And then you will need to put in the number, so 6094. And then once you have done that, I should be able to add this as a friend now. So if I send the friend request and I go over to my second account on my PC, if I click on accept and I go back on my Discord here, as you can see, my second Discord account is now here and being added as a friend. So that's how you can go ahead and add friends on Discord.